so beautiful. Let you know that the cute red shirt that I'm wearing throughout this video is part of my merch that I just launched. It's a thrifted line. I have a bunch of shirts that are all unique that I got from thrift stores, so you don't have to worry about producing too much waste. And the theme this time is weird is good. If you missed it last time, I have international shipping for you. Click this video below to check out my new merch. Okay, on to the video. I am in Washington, D.C., of all places, with my mother. It was kind of a last-minute trip. Hello. The last time I went to Washington, D.C., I was a 5th grader. I'm like really interested in learning the, relearning the history. I'm a really bad YouTuber because I was so hungry that I didn't film a thing last night, but we are staying at a bed and breakfast, and now we're going up to breakfast. They got me almond milk.
Oh, we have a very exciting day. We got passes to see the White House.
We're going to the White House and inside the White House. I'm excited. I'm a big fan of the West Wing, so I might be impersonating Donna and Josh a little bit. My mom needed a little nap, so she is resting right now, and I have my backpack with my books and notebooks. I am loving the DC vibes right now. The buildings are just so different than in California.
How you feel about me now? Got my emotions running wild, and now you're asking yourself how I'm not your baby, ain't your child.
My mother and I... Mother?
Yes?
Come.
Oh.
We are now going to go to dinner to a vegan restaurant that someone on the plane actually recommended to us. It's called
Fancy Radish.
We are running late for a reservation. Mom's always behind me. Like, I walk in, I'm power walking, and I realize, oh no, I lost my mom. So I go back to her, and I go at her pace, and then she's still behind me. Like, she slows down. Thank you.
Yuzu avocado.
Like those are radishes? Those are radishes? Braised green meat radishes, yuzu avocado, smoked tamari, and shiso, and this beautiful pretzel bun that they make here with fondue made out of rutabaga.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Really?
Oh my gosh, is that good?
Whoa. Wow.
Oh, hot. I love every mushroom. Never met a mushroom I didn't like.
I love every mushroom. Mom, no, wait. I love noodles so much. I will marry them. Sorry, Eric. Are you spicy?
No, we love spicy.
It just got stuck in my throat. Sorry.
Don't contradict me when I ask you to decide. Oh, choose whether to stay or go. I ain't here to set nobody free. How you feel about me now?
We're now going up the longest escalator I've ever seen in my life. You look cute, Mom. My mom is over there loading her activity tracker onto her phone. Apparently we walked over 12,000 steps. Anyway, I went into Politics and Prose, which is a cool independent bookstore. You know, I care about books a lot. It's something that I can't stop buying. Back home, we don't really have independent bookstores, and it's really refreshing to be able to go into a bookshop and talk to the people who work there about books, and they can recommend books to me, and it's actually, they actually read. My mom bought me this bag. I went in looking for this book. Whoa, I just noticed there's a skull on the cover. Whoa. This is one, I've heard of the author, and then I asked the guy who worked there to recommend a book to me, so he recommended this one. We just finished having a lovely breakfast and conversation with Laura. Laura, do you want to say hi? Hi. This is Laura and Betty. Hi. Hey. And this is the Embassy Circle guest house, and now we're gonna do a little tour. Walk up the stairs, okay, and then give me a look back like, oh my gosh, how pretty. Come in here. No, you're always behind me, Mom. Come next to me.
Act so surprised when I speak out. You pacify me, feed my doubt. Listen, I will not be held down. You patronize me when I say I ought to let you go. Honey, I've decided, oh, you ain't here to set nobody free.
No. Right? Ow. Mom, What do you think is the benefit to staying in a bed and breakfast when you travel?
Feels more like staying in a very nice home.
But it still feels like a hotel because it's so clean and
you're all taken care of.
I'm promoting your beautiful establishment.
She's gonna mention.
You should sit next to me.
You have to. Okay. Okay.
This is Raymond. Oh, sorry. This is Raymond, and he's very kind and welcoming, and you're funny and you're sweet, and you have the most beautiful voice.
Oh my gosh. I'm running for public office.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. My party? No. Oh no.
Keep the politics out of it. I know we're in DC, but
YouTube video, precious.
we don't want to be divisive, you know? We don't want to alienate half the audience.
Oh, okay. I love this. This is so funny.
My tripod?
Yes.
It's nice. Now I'll show you. You can go like this.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know. Don't we look cute?
Welcome to my D&D.
Why the hell did I keep on stalling while you wore me out? Reality is setting in.
I want you to have an expression when I look up.
Oh, no.
Now change your expression. One more time. No, look happy.
Oh.
How you feel about me now?
What did you think of the American History Museum?
Oh, it's very interesting. We only saw little snippets because it's huge.
That's the thing, is I got hungry.
No, it won't work, but you can pout. Go right ahead, just scream and shout. I'll drown you out and mute the sound.
Thanks to Google, I found another amazing looking restaurant that has vegan options called Equinox, and we're seeing people walk in like formal gowns. We're not in formal gowns, so we're gonna see if we get turned away.
I wouldn't call it formal gowns. I would call it a little black dress.
Ball gowns.
No.
Oh, this looks nice. This is fancy, Mom.
I know.
Carrot salad on this fancy spoon.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You validated when I say I ought to let you go. Honey, I've decided, oh, you ain't here to set nobody free.
It is Sunday morning. We just had breakfast with a lovely group of people, and now my mother and I are taking a walk in this gorgeous weather to Georgetown, which is kind of like the uppity, cool college town that looks kind of cute. On our way to another meal. We've been very impressed with the vegan food here in DC. Most of the time my mom and I really fit in with the city folk here, but today we're being full-on tourists. We're taking a bus, a tour bus. I haven't done this in so long. Tell me how you're feeling, Mother.
My feet are tired.
But that's my fault.
I'm excited.
I was kind of dragging my mom along today a little too much. She's so cute. Hardcore tourist.
Okay, my name is Ellie. I'll be your tour conductor for the night.
Crying like a baby, I live in the night time. You're talking like my sister, moving on the dance floor, no one can resist her. You are such a little, you are such a little girl.
We are in the rain today.
I don't like it. Look. Payphones. And a phone book. I haven't seen one of these in so long.
So you can't just walk into many of these tours. You have to have reservations.
That's true. And
so I'm glad we did this.
It's a good thing we're both planners. Planned ahead.
I know.
We are now in the Library of Congress, which is a library of Congress. We really like tour guides. You learn more.
Yeah, and you don't have to read everything. You just listen and learn.
You are such a little, you are such a little girl.
After really
Has
bad.
me walking everywhere.
Oh my goodness gracious, we have had such a long day. Our feet are very tired. The last thing kind of on our list of things to do is to visit the botanical gardens. It smells good. Do you smell that? This is beautiful.
Yes,
It smells very good.
it's very relaxing to sit in here among all the plants.
Yeah, it's really good for your skin too. I have dry tending skin,
Smells
so this feels good.
good.
We just ate a bunch of plants. Now we're looking at plants. Plants are cool. It might be even warmer in here. Oh, it is. Wow, this is so cool.
Well, yes.
Do you dare me to touch it? It's not that bad. I have a history of touching cacti when I shouldn't. What? Look at that one. There's a dinosaur, Mom. Oh gosh.
Garden primeval.
This is what Earth looked like when the dinosaurs were around. You can show your umbrella. You're hiding it. It's our final night in DC. We've had such a nice time here. We've tried to see as much as we can.
And I can barely walk.
I should have massaged your feet. I kept thinking it would be nice if I just gave my mom a foot massage, but I didn't. Just like there's so much to sightsee and so many museums to see here in DC. There are so many vegan restaurants that we didn't even tap into. I'm completely impressed with the city. This entire trip, my mom is just a few steps behind me. This museum is completely overwhelming. We were trying to do it in a couple of hours, but there's so much here. If you happen to be in the DC area, definitely check out the museum. It's one of the only museums you actually have to pay for, but it's worth it. I wish I could have taken my journalism class here.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
If you're gonna put me down, I ain't gonna hang around with you.